So what we're gonna do is measure the second bracket. It's at 32 and a half inches. So I'm hooking that into there. I'm going right up to 32 and a half. And I'm gonna mark it right there on that. Flush with the bottom of that. The tape's off, we've already taken off the liner. I'm pressing down, it's right on the line. Then go over there. Right at the studs, that's where you just bend it out, just make sure that panel will go in. 2 and a half. Go within 4 inches of that side. Matt's gonna do the same thing. Then we just simply press on the tape, and then we're gonna take a level to it. The tape's ending, yeah. There we go. What's that? Is that tape on it? Make sure all the other handles are going in. Okay, now we need the block of wood. Glad I have it. Okay, what Matt is doing here is he's just sticking on the gasket tape, just like that, right to the WRB. Make sure that's there. I know that didn't go through the cap. So next panel, what we're going to do, we're going to put 2 4-foot wide by 3-foot tall panels, one here and one there. So we already measured from this point up to 20 1/4. So I'm going to put one in the middle of this at 20 1/4, and then right over here from the center, just going a little bit, 20 1/4. Same deal on this side, since this would be the other panel. 20 1/4. In the middle of that, 20 1/4. Then we already have our 20 1/4 mark right there.
Oh, that doesn't actually.
22 1/4. Okay. Right. There you go. Now keep that from doing that.
Block.
3, 2, 1 test. Knock up wall is up and ready.